founder of Savi, is a man I've known for a long, long time. And he's a man that is one of the biggest innovators in the magazine industry. He changed the face of film journalism by launching Stardust and then Savvy and a host of other magazines. And he has always been in the forefront of this. So this latest initiative by the team of Savvy and by Mary Higa is something I congratulate him on. It's another trailblazing effort that he's made, another trailblazing initiative. And I wish him the best with it, because if there's a platform for Miss India, there's always a platform for Mrs. India. And Mrs. India, or all women who are Mrs., have one big advantage, because they know one thing that Miss India doesn't know, which is that in any argument between husband and wife, one person is always right and the other is the husband.
Correct. And I think whoever is chatting behind are all single. I'm sure they're not missing it.
So, I wish you all the best, and I hope this pageant goes on from strength to strength and blazes new trails, as Mary has always done from the start. And I commend the team of Savi for this initiative, and I'm sure they'll take it to higher and higher plateaus and heights that an initiative like Mrs. India contest pageant deserves. All the best to all of you, and I would like to thank you also. And would be complete without Mrs. Baby.
Absolutely, the Mrs. has to speak. What do you think about this pageant? Of course, it is Mrs. India, and we don't have a lot of Mrs. India pageants like this. So, anything that comes to your mind when you hear about that Mrs. India?
I love the fact that Savvy now has this whole brand. Mrs. Savvy, I've been a Savvy girl. I've been on the cover of the magazine. I love the fact that Indian magazine. It's iconic, it's been done for decades, and now to have Mrs. Savvy, it's like marriage is not just a one-woman
एक मिनट बाद में बात करते हैं ना उसको इवेंट करने दे इवेंट करने दे बाद में लेते हैं ना उसको बाद में लेते हैं फंक्शन में लेते हैं इवेंट
Can I just say, may I ask each one of you to keep quiet for a moment? All of you are here drinking, eating, enjoying the hospitality of Savvy. This is being launched. People are speaking, and you're speaking among yourselves. Be ashamed. Have some respect for the occasion. This is wrong.
And I think coming from a very senior most...
Let's give a big hip hip hooray to Savvy for the launch of Mrs. India 2019. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful. We cannot have a huge round of applause. judge, what would you look out in a contestant probably?
I don't think there's any particular quality that you can see in a woman. She's full of so many qualities. You can't judge them on anything. I don't think you can judge women on anything.
Alright, you cannot. I like that. You have been a coach for such a long time. What is that you have to offer at this point of time for all the contestants who are there, married, sitting at home? There's so many homemakers. What do you have to offer?
Well, I would only say one thing to them. Savvy has launched such a beautiful platform for them. And Savvy is all about real women and real stories. So the women, I think what Savvy Mrs. India is looking for are role models who will be inspiring other women also. So my opinion to them is be role models.
Actually, true role models. Fantastic. So I'll actually tell you one question that I want to ask you. What does it take to have a successful marriage?
What does it take to have a successful marriage? You know, there's a story of this couple in a small town that celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary. So the press was very interested in talking to them. They said, please tell us the secret of your happy marriage for 50 years. And the man said, listen, it's very simple. When we got married, I said, I will decide all the daily issues, my wife will decide all the minor issues. They said, oh, so madam, what are the minor issues you decide? She said, well, I decide what we eat for dinner, where our children go to school, who our friends are, how we invest our money, where we travel to, whether we should change jobs, buy a new house. So they said, well, excuse me, sir, what are the big issues you decide? He said, behavior of President Trump, Syria, Iraq, world hunger, poverty. So as long as you decide the many issues, and like the wife decide the minor issues, it's a very happy marriage.
Absolutely,
And
fantastic.
always, as I said, no, in every argument, the wife is always right.
So your charm is impeccable. I think I am struck by the charm here. So the charm is completely impeccable. Can I give it to your wife? You have to know from her that, okay, Praveen, you cannot go on so easily, come on. Okay, maybe give us 5 reasons to get married. 5 reasons I want to get married.
You ask me, I never get married.
Okay.
This gentleman had to ask me 3 times before I conceded. So, you ask me all now. We have 5 reasons to get married. It doesn't make much difference. Is there anything else you have?
I think I want to give it to Bharga Bolkar. Tell me 5 reasons that one should get married. Tell me 5 reasons why should one get
I
married.
don't want to get married. So very honestly speaking, I am absolutely speechless here because when I got into college, residential college, I had 145 beautiful girls and 5 boys. And then I got into the real world and it was equal number of men and women. It was very traumatic for me. And after a long time, I've seen so many pretty girls with not enough men, so I'm very happy. But since you were asking Kabir about the secret of a happy marriage, I must tell you what Woody Allen once said. He said, when I got married, we decided that 3 times a week we go out for a romantic candlelight dinner. I go on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays and she goes on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays.
Wow, you still haven't given me 5 reasons. If anything, 3 दे दो यार. 5 इतना impossible है, 3 तो दे दो. अच्छा. Angela, I think Angela has an answer that I should give 3 reasons. Okay, चलो 3 दे दो. So you will do a concession.
Okay, I'll give it to you. First, to grow old together.
Oh my God, this is such a big thing. Yeah, please, contestants, please listen to this. Don't you grow. This would be your
Grow old
question.
together. Second, for going for adventure trips, enjoying the evening teas and coffees together. It's very important.
Again, contestants, are you listening?
And the third and the last one is just to be pampered by each other. Just to be pampered by each other.
Okay.
Otherwise, there is no need to get married. There are plenty of men and plenty of women to be around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Contestants, are you listening? Hip hip.
Everything in the world. Sally has got me that. I was on September issue cover story, and 25 pages of my life. Only Andrea had got that. She has got that balls to print my life story. 25 pages. I love her. I like her. I really like her. I think she's contest.
Okay, I'll be brief on one thing. I have an emotional connect with Sally, purely because in '89, my mother featured on the cover.
Oh, wow.
And because she featured on the cover, Mahesh read her story and therefore met my mother. And she was obviously not interested in acting in his films, but threw me into the fire. And of course, I wanted to do it. And that's how my career started. So I do thank Sally to start my journey.
Wow, fantastic.
So
Fantastic. I think it's a fantastic. Wow.
And it's thanks to my mother that I've always admired, loved strong women in my life.
सर आशिकी सर कैसे करते हैं बताओ,
आशिकी?
सबको जानना है यहाँ पर।
मैं आशिकी तो कर लेता हूँ, बट कोई मेरे हाथ में रहती नहीं है ना, कभी मैं सिंगल हूँ।
एक दिल से निकला
तो कभी एक टाइम में I'm sorry, but well, I'm not sorry or whatever, but because it's been done in a very good way. My ex-wife one asked me, तेरा सबसे best गाना कौन है? Everybody thinks I'm very romantic, so I blurted out, अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम. So she said, what? So I said, because every time that's the song that comes to my mind, because there have been so many breakups in my life that that's the only song that keeps coming to my head. Having said that, I truly believe in romance. I've never given up on that. I still wait for that
आशिकी चालू
person.
है।
आशिकी जिंदगी भर चालू
जिंदगी भर चालू है।
है.
Fantastic। इसी बात पे जोरदार तालियां। आशिकी जिंदगी भर तक चालू
And
है।
having said that, one of the few inspirations, and it takes a lot to inspire me, is this wonderful gentleman out here that for years, to me, he's the epitome of a true gentleman, a true charmer, not just in looks, but from inside out. Kabir Saab is the person.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord।
So he's one of the very few people that I've really admired, the way he's carried himself throughout. And obviously, it's just not the women, sir, who admire you, but us men also aspire to be like you, sir.
Fantastic।
Ma'am, what do you have to say about this function as such? You know, it's a pageant for the married women. How should married women be encouraged for their, for their talent, for their achievements as such?
We also have Shivani.
I am the
Shivani, can you sing?
most wrong person to answer this question, but
Because she always forgets to sing.
since I am also married woman, and
So, Shivani,
I
yeah,
really
you want
think
to tell
that
us that you've been on
in our
the
country
program for
people
such a long time.
need
And
to
I was,
have a
watching
lot of more
Nashri
exposure
on
about
the
marriage
Uncle, if you remember,
and
in
about what
2007.
married
I think
women
it's
can
privilege to
do.
be actually on the cover.
So
It's
I'm a
so
mother
nice.
myself,
It's
and I
so
think
very
there's
nice.
nothing what a married woman
Everyone,
cannot do,
everyone.
which
I
an
think these are
unmarried
happy
woman
men.
can do.
These
So
are
I
happy
think
men.
being
So
married
you-
or
you
not
know,
being
I'm not
married
asking about the
doesn't
reason
make
why
a
you're happy
difference
married and
in
really
whatever you do
fantastic.
or don't
Just
do.
give me one
That's the only
beautiful
thing.
song and that's it.
Savvy के साथ में मेरा association ऐसा है that
I'm
currently
talking
I'm
about
on the
marriage,
cover
so
page
let's
of
talk about
Savvy.
Sajna.
I know too much of
Only
noise.
one line and
Currently
just
I'm
leave it.
but yes,
Thank
I
you
am
so
doing a
much.
lot
Thank you.
of
Thank
more
you. Thank you
things
so
than
much.
just
We
acting.
have the very famous
Also
Love
about
Cinema.
acting, I have just completed a film.
I think I always have some
Rastana
other relationship
with
with
Sanjay Dutt,
Love and
and
Hate.
I'm a big fan of Sanjay Dutt, so
No, I'm not going to buy
that's
you.
the only reason I am in the film,
Well,
of
love also
course.
happens to be
And I'm eagerly waiting
an
for that
actor.
film.
He
So
is,
I
so
hope
much,
after
you
this
know,
film,
this time
a
I
lot of
want to
things
tell you
will
that
take
you're not
place.
married.
किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा ओवरऑल?
What makes you not married?
Beautiful. He's a very nice person, very shy person, and very kind person. So I look up to him for his journey, and I'm really proud of him. That जिस तरह से वो उनकी लाइफ की जर्नी रही और जिस तरह से वो निकल कर आए अपनी लाइफ की जर्नी में एज अ विनर, so I am a very big fan of Sanjay.
opportunity to be, unwind yourself one and go away from your regular sort of household ways, dealing with mother-in-laws, dealing with husbands, bringing up children. So it's a great way to, I think, energize and rediscover yourself.
So, what kind of changes you want in the society to, the married women with more freedom, more leverage to pursue their passion or career?
I think empowerment, more or less. I mean, when you meet a girl and when you're wooing her, they are individuals, and gradually that individual gets lost, especially for a housewife, I feel. It gets lost in responsibilities towards children. It gets lost in responsibilities towards your husband. It gets lost in responsibility, if it's like a joint family, towards your in-laws. So I think, marriage is not for losing yourself, isn't it? Marriage is for empowering yourself. And somebody's choice is to get married, right? So I think it's a great platform to...
So you can different look as such. Are you working on your looks, sir, is very different.
Oh yeah, I'm working on Torba's last few days left. It's got Sanju Baba in the main lead. He's one of my favorite actors. And my director is Girish Malik. It's shaped out really well. It's basically a child story. You will hear about it when time comes. किनके साथ सर? सभी के साथ? सर इनके लिए कवर किया है मैंने. इनकी अलग अलग सोसाइटी की मैगजीन के लिए 2 बार कवर किया है मैंने. So I think my first cover happened in 1996 when they wrote about the supermodels. तो अभी तो 2019 में आ चुके हैं. तो कितने हो गए? 23 साल से जानता हूँ इन लोगों को.
I generally feel times are changing now, and beauty pageants are, if that is one step that gives women a chance to discover themselves yet again. So I feel if beauty pageants could be a place where these women rediscover themselves even after being married, and they feel that gives them confidence, and they just feel better in their skin by doing that. Why not? And I think Savvy is just empowering these married women.
Savvy magazine, you follow us on magazine, you read Savvy magazine. Savvy magazine,
Yes.
you are follower of magazine, you read.
Yes, I have read it a couple of times. My friends have been on the covers of these magazines, so you have to get them. And they've always featured women and men, those who kind of empower the people around them. So yeah.
And what's the one professional friend as such? What are you working on another project?
Selection Day just came out on Netflix, and I'm doing one for Girls Hostel, which is Lugardi Abba, and a couple of more web shows that are going to drop really soon. So can't wait to share it with the world. Yeah. Thank you.
देखिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं ये सावी के इवेंट पे आया हूँ, क्योंकि मैं आज अपनी बहन को लेके आया हूँ, प्रियंका को, क्योंकि सावी के साथ मेरी शुरुआत हुई थी 1989 में. सावी के कवर पे मेरी माँ आई थी, और क्योंकि वो और उनकी कहानी छपी थी, उसके कारण भट्ट साहब ने वो कवर का कहानी पढ़ी, और उसके कारण उन्होंने मेरे तस्वीरें देखी और मेरी शुरुआत हुई थी आशिकी से. आज ये मिसेस इंडिया जो शुरू हो रहा है सावी का, मैं उनको बहुत बधाई देता हूँ. इतने सालों से मेरा रिश्ता रहा है मैग्ना पब्लिकेशंस के साथ, तो मुझे खुशी होती है कि आज ऐसे मौके पे मुझे बुलाया गया है. मैं खुद काफ़ी सालों के बाद मेरी फिल्में रिलीज़ हो रही हैं. एक फिल्म अ थिन लाइन रिलीज़ हो चुकी है जो अच्छा कर रही है. प्रियंका मेरे साथ नाइट एंड फॉग फिल्म कर रही है, जिसमें उसका डेब्यू है, लीड है, गाना भी गा रही है, उसमें सूफी गाना कर रही है. तो ऐसे मेरी कोई 3-4 फिल्में ये साथ रिलीज़ हो रही हैं. तो समझो एक शुरुआत फिर से हो रही है. सावी के साथ शुरुआत हुई थी, आज मैं सावी के साथ फिर से यहाँ पे हूँ, और समझो एक और शुरुआत मेरी सेकंड इनिंग की हो रही है. तो खुशी का माहौल है. आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट.
राहुल सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आशिकी के बाद आशिकी 2 बनी, अब सड़क के बाद सड़क 2 बन रही है. ये जो फ्रेंचाइजी है, ये कितना पॉजिटिव है, या क्या मानते हैं आप इसको?
देखिए ये तो डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये चीज़ें शुरुआत हो रही है, क्योंकि देखिए ये जो फिल्में आती रही हैं, जो रिलीज़ होती रही हैं, आशिकी जो फ्रेंचाइज थी जब शुरू हुई थी वो एक आइकॉनिक फिल्म बनी. सड़क जो है वो एक आइकॉनिक फिल्म बनी है. लोगों के जहन, उनके खून, उनकी आत्मा में ऐसी फिल्में रही हैं. तो जब ऐसी फिल्मों का पार्ट 2 आता तो नेचुरली जनता में एक उत्सुकता होती है कि पार्ट 2 कैसे होगी. तो आई एम होपिंग मेरी भी कुछ ऐसी फिल्मों की कोई जब पार्ट 2 है तो मुझे मौका दिया जाएगा भट्ट साहब के साथ, लेट्स सी। बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट, और कि ऐसी फिल्म बन रही है जिसमें भट्ट साहब वापस एक डायरेक्टर के तौर से आ रहे हैं। आई एम श्योर कुछ स्पेशल फिल्म होगी।
First of all, I would like to say thank you for inviting both of us. और क्योंकि मैं भैया के साथ मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म में काम कर रही हूँ, नाइट एंड फॉग, जो कि तनवीर अहमद साहब डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और प्लस मैं एक रशियन फिल्म कर रही हूँ मार्शल आर्ट्स के ऊपर, और मैं गाने भी गा रही हूँ, तो ट्रैक गा रही हूँ। Savvy is one of the iconic platform for our Indian women, and I would always say कि हमारी भारतीय नारी जितनी अच्छी तरह से घर को और बाहर को एक साथ संभालती है, ये वो जगह है यहाँ पे आके हम लोगों को पूरा मौका मिलता है अपने आप को उभारने का, और हर एक साइड एक औरत अपना दिखा सकती है यहाँ पे आकर। सो धन्यवाद सेवी का कि वो हर एक औरत की कंप्लीट साइड को सबके सामने रखती है, एक बेहतरीन तरीके से रखती है। एंड आई वुड लव टू congratulate all the women of India who are participating there. You guys are doing really great job. Cheers to all the women of India.
You know, if a woman wins Miss India, where does she go next? Mrs. India. So this is a step up. It's also a great initiative by Narahira, who founded Stardust, Savvy. He's been one of the great innovators, and I think in founding this franchise, this pageant, he is pushing the game further and making new opportunities for people that get married, and for them to know it's not the end of the world. There's plenty of other things to do, ways to be appreciated, and this pageant is one of them.
One of the few actors who got a global recognition for your work in acting. So right now the scenario is that it's been global, the acting scenario with the Bollywood industry. So what do you have to comment on it as well?
Well, I've had a career on 3 continents. I have had films in America, Canada, England, Europe, India. And I think this thing is becoming more globalized. The good thing is that today, people in the West are writing more roles for Indians. And so the battle is a little easier, but it's still based on merit. It's still important to understand techniques of international acting. And I think also foreign producers are looking to expand their markets, and so are looking for Indian actors as well. So this augurs very well for my fellow actors here, and I wish them the best.
Are you looking for some script right now, or are you working on a project right now?
Good question.
I'm always working on projects, and you'll hear about them when they're ready. In the last 2 years, I did 6 films in 5 languages: English, Italian, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam. So my work goes on here and abroad, and I'm also preparing to produce things. So you'll hear about it. For me, work never stops because work is what I love to do.
I wanted to know Savvy Awards, and then it's a pageant for the married woman. So what do you have to say? The kind of privilege, the kind of freedom, the kind of
It's wonderful to be here at the Savvy Awards. It's wonderful to be at the Mrs. Savvy Awards. That it's an Indian-grown magazine. It's been for Indian women for decades now, and finally they have a Mrs. Savvy. So it's all-inclusive. It's not like you get married and you don't have a platform to use or say what you wish. So I love the fact that they have a Mrs. Savvy. I am a Mrs. So life doesn't end when you get married. There's all those facets of you that remain the same. Hanji? I don't think I will qualify as Mrs. Savvy. There are way too many beautiful women here that qualify much.
She won't participate because she wants to give other women a chance to win something.
Oh, he's being sweet. He's being sweet.
And I wanted to know, sir, as a great celebrity, as a great human being, I mean, does he support you in your venture?
Oh, Kabir, as a husband? Is that the question?
As a husband, as a celebrity, as a human being.
Okay, first of all, to everybody else, Kabir may be a celebrity, but to me, he's my life partner. So that doesn't really play a factor. But how is he as a human being, as my life partner, as my husband? incredibly supportive, and I feel I'm lucky. Any venture, whatever I wish to do in life, he's always been there, never questioned it, and has been supportive. So right now I'm getting back into work, I'm back into producing, back into production, and he's supportive of that, just as I am supportive of all the ventures that he does. So we're very much a team. We work as partners and we work as life partners, like in work, play, and everything. So yes, happy.
नहीं, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आलिया पिक्चरों में दाखिल हो रही है। उसने बहुत ही मेहनत की है, न्यूयॉर्क में भी ट्रेनिंग की है, यहाँ भी बहुत ट्रेनिंग की है। हर चीज़ में उसने बहुत लगन दिखाई है, चाहे डांस हो, चाहे एक्शन हो, चाहे एक्टिंग हो। और वाकई उसने ऐसी एक शोरील बनाई जिसने कई डायरेक्टरों को फिदा कर दिया, और इसलिए इस वक्त उसके हाथ में 2 फिल्में हैं। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्में सफल हों और उसकी बहुत तरक्की हो।
We're very proud of her. We're very, very proud of her. That girl has worked so hard. We're very proud.
And tremendous talent, tremendous talent. Somewhere she's got it. She's got what it takes.
सोशल मीडिया पे काफी अच्छी पकड़ है उनकी, फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? और
किस पे?
सोशल मीडिया पे उनकी काफी अच्छी पकड़ है, फैन फॉलोइंग काफी अच्छी है।
सोशल मीडिया को बहुत अच्छी तरह समझती है, पर मेन थिंग है कि जो एक्टिंग की क्राफ्ट है, एक्टिंग की जो टेक्निक्स है, एक्टिंग की जो एक खास कला है, उसको अच्छी तरह समझती है।
आपसे क्या क्या बातें होती है, क्या क्या टिप्स आप शेयर करते हैं? आप दोनों से क्वेश्चन
किस पे?
आपसे कुछ बातें होती है, आज हमको क्या क्या
Family
टिप्स
में
आप
कैसे
देते हैं?
होते हैं, what tips you your granddad give?
मैं तो उसको बधाई देता हूँ, और मैं जानता हूँ कि इसमें काबिलियत बहुत है। तो इसके अलावा और क्या चाहिए उसे? काबिलियत है और इंडस्ट्री में है और फिल्में साइन कर चुकी है और आगे लंबा रास्ता है, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बहुत सफल रास्ता हो।
मैरिड वुमेन के लिए कोई भी चीज़ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, अगर वो चाहे। अगर एक शादीशुदा औरत बच्चा पैदा कर सकती है तो उससे बड़ी कोई डिफिकल्ट चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती। पैजेंट इज जस्ट अ थिंग, यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक इट ईजी, गो फुल ऑन, बेट, बी योरसेल्फ, जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल विन।
What is Savvy magazine? Are you a follower of Savvy magazine? Do you like the Savvy magazine?
I was on cover of the Savvy magazine in September issue 2018. So Savvy, yes, Andrea Costa Bear is the name. She's a daredevil woman. The editor is so awesome. She's done such a wonderful job. She has printed me 25 pages of my life. She's a tigress. Savvy is awesome.
Recently, you've been part of a short film, and are you coming with any big project as such in the future?
Yes, I am coming up with a very interesting film called Eela. I have my hero as Vishal Sudarshan Bar, who was there in Thakre right now with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It's a very interesting film. It's going to be there in international film festivals. So I am very much looking forward to that. And I have my web series coming up that is on Watcho. Dish TV और Videocon ने collaborate किया है, and it is made by Percept Pictures. So yes, it's going to be a great project.
Are you a student or you're pursuing some career as such?
I'm studying fashion designing at Pearl Academy and my second year right now.
So why not an actress? You're more than an actress and a successful actress.
I'm very passionate about fashion designing, not much about acting.
So what's the career plan? You want to become a successful fashion designer as well?
What?
You want to become a successful fashion designer?
Yes, that's what I want to do.
She loves fashion. We had so many people over here, the pageant, the beauty pageant, the fashion. That is why I got her over here, because fashion is one industry. Here is the star for fashion industry.